Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're cooking these lovely juicy pork chops on the cast iron skillet. Just trimming the fat so they don't curl up in the pan. Now we're going to season both sides with salt, pepper, garlic and paprika. So now we'll heat up the skillet, a drop of oil, and then we'll get the chops on. So now that we can see the oil is smoking hot and glistening, it's about ready to go. I'm just pressing them down lightly just to make sure they're in full contact with the pan. And if you see anywhere that hasn't quite got enough seasoning on, now's the time to add it. What I'm trying to do here is just render out some of the fat, see if we can crisp up the rind. The pan's on a medium heat as I don't want the pork to catch. And I might as well add a little bit more seasoning as well. So we're going to start flipping them now, get them started on the other side before adding some butter and basting. As you can see, they've picked up a nice bit of colour on that side. It's not burned, it's just a lovely caramelly colour. So in we go then with a good knob of butter and then we're going to start basting. Let's spoon that lovely yellow butter all over the pork chops. You really can't over baste, but I don't want to keep doing it because the pork's going to overcook. We'll get these on to rest for a few minutes now while we get ready to serve. And of course we're not going to waste that lovely golden butter. And what else to serve with them? Some lovely apple sauce. A little taste test then. I can tell you these were so juicy and succulent, loads of flavour from that crust on the outside. Really good eating. See you on the next one.